Welcome to Otaki River, to the side of the Otaki River. Today we are here gathering tutu to make into a rongoā. What we're going to do today is pick the young new shoots which have more tutu potency in them, and we're going to take them away and we're going to show you how we prepare it to make an ointment. I think we've picked enough, eh? Tutu was kept for times when the warriors went out, or when anyone fell, broke their leg, broke their arm, or had arthritis.
Heaps.
That's
I
heaps,
know.
eh? Yeah, great. That's cool. Thank you, Ricketeer.
So we've been up and we've got the tutu, and we've come home, stripped it off, and we've got the billy or the copper boiling away, and pretty soon we'll add the tutu. At this stage we'll try and link everything up spiritual dimension, so our intention and how the plant is and the gifts of the plant. Beech driftwood is firewood, adds another element to the brew too. Tend to get the elementals from the wood and the tutu and the water all mixing together and making something magic. It's about 3 days of hard boil. When we're cooking, we come and live up the top here and camp out on mattresses and feed the fire every hour to two.
I've got an example of what it looks like when it's been boiled and processed. Now that's about 48 hours, but as we discussed out there, there's no real time except the time when it's ready. And when it's ready, it has a certain aroma.
Like boiled potatoes.
Like boiled potatoes. So you know the difference. You know when it's ready, because it's got a strong smell. And that's when you turn it, take it off the boil. And you take it off the boil by just adding cold water to stop it from continuing to cook. Then you take the leaves out and you spread them out over the ground in the sun, and you let them dry naturally, and they end up looking like this. So you can see in here that there's stalks and all that, so we'll have to go through it and take the stalks out. But the leaves are then put through a sieve and crushed up.
They look like those ones in there.
And I'll show you what they look like, because this is what we're looking for in the tutu, is to get it to this consistency, which is really like a tea leaf, like tea leaves. And it's got a really pungent smell, yummy really, and that's where we want to get the tutu to before we start using it or making the ointment. So that's all I wanted to say. And
so here's some ointment here that I made previously. Okay. Now all that I've done is I've put those leaves there into olive oil, and I've boiled them not for about 25 hours. Then I've put beeswax with them, so it's a completely natural product.
That feels wonderful.